Hey, welcome to Crafting with Erica. On today's episode, we're going to make a Halloween-themed pumpkin made out of mason jar lids and some washi tape. Thank you for tuning in for this episode. Be sure to subscribe and like down there, and let's get started. So what you're going to need for this project is you're going to need some mason jar lids, but you only need the ring part. And which are really cheap. You can usually buy them on Amazon. Link of listing below, and you're also going to need some washi tape. I've also linked below where you can buy it. I bought a variety pack off of Amazon, and the one that I bought had really good reviews, so I'm hoping that this works out well. You're going to need some type of thing for your stem. Some people use cinnamon sticks. I'm using a really natural looking wrapped wire that I got at Michael's. You're going to need some black ribbon and wire cutters, depending on what you're using for your stem. In total, you're going to need 20 rings. I say this because I made this once before and I didn't know how many rings I needed, and it was a lot of trial and error. You need 20 rings. Okay. First thing, you're going to lay out all your rings, and then you're going to take whatever washi tape you want to use. One thing I love about this tape is that you don't need scissors, which is really nice. Just stick it directly on here and you wrap it around. So I'm going to do that for my remaining rings, and then I'm going to show you how to assemble it. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Unacceptable! Unacceptable!
Now it's time to start assembling. Pro tip, when you start to assemble, just be sure that you are placing them into each other. So there is the bottom of the lid, which is usually the part that is closest to the jar, and then there's the very top of the lid. You're going to want to stack the bottoms to the top, so top, bottom. Also, I suggest you lay them out in the order that you want your pattern to go around your pumpkin first, so you're not trying to figure it out as you go along. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, I think that looks good. You're going to take your ribbon and we're going to start putting them together. Remember, bottom, top, top, bottom. You now have your rings. Now we're just going to clean them up a little. Make sure that they're all going in, making a nice sphere. And that they're all going in the same direction. So you can kind of already see that we're getting a little pumpkin-y. It's a little pumpkin-y. And you have your ribbon ends right here. This part takes a little bit of work, a little finessing. Let's make sure your things are as tightly around the ribbon as possible. You're going to take your ribbon ends and you're just going to tie a really tight knot. It's a really, really tight knot. Double knot. Now you're just going to make sure that they're all in there. Tuck your ribbon inside. You can trim it if you want, or just tuck it inside. I'm just tucking mine because I am lazy. Maybe I should trim it. No, I'm just going to tuck it. There we go. Get it perfect. All right, we have our basic pumpkin. So I said 20 because if you use less than 20, sometimes you can use less than 20 if you want to, but it's a little less firm of a pumpkin if you use less than 20. Now, very last step. You're going to take whatever you want to use for your stem and you're just going to take it off and make it into some stem type shape. I made this. This was just folding this a million times. Kind of looks like a stem. And I'm just going to plop it on the inside. Just like so. That was it. I might add a leaf, but I don't know. I think the Halloween pumpkin looks better without a leaf. Yeah, I think it looks better without a leaf. Tell me what you think below. Or if you think of any other Halloween DIYs that you would like to see me make. As long as it's within the next couple weeks. Because, you know, Halloween spans all September and October. Let's be real. Michael starts Halloween back in, like, July. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and tell me any other types of crafts you would like me to see me make below. And happy Halloween!